First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on mobile, but you can do the same process on your computer. The first thing you need to do is log into Spotify, and after doing that, you will click on your playlist, okay? So come to your library and come to the playlist that you want to play. Only the songs on your playlist, okay? I will use this playlist here. And after doing that, you will see several options, okay? But the option that interests us is this one, okay? You need to turn off this option. So click on top. And the recommendations have been removed, okay? So now you can play your playlist and play only the songs that you added to your playlist, okay? If you want to turn on again, just click on this option, and if you want to turn off, click again, okay? I hope I helped you out to make Spotify play only the songs on your playlist. So if this video helped you in any way, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.